Hi, this is Nicholas Arachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to extend a sink drain pipe. It's actually considered a tailpiece. This is a sink tailpiece, and we're going to extend it using an extension tailpiece. So we're going to work on the drains. We're going to start to attach the drains. This is our P-trap. It comes in two separate pieces. I'm going to be placing them together. I've already rough cut the length of our P-trap for our particular configuration. So I'm going to install the retaining nut and nylon washer. I'm going to install the drain pipe. So if you notice, there's a gap between the tailpiece and the P-trap. So we're going to need an extension tailpiece installed, which is what this is. So we're going to lay it next to the pipe, size it so we know that it's going to gap over here. I'm going to mark it. So once I've marked our tube, I'm going to cut it. So I've cut our extension tailpiece and I'm going to install it now. There's a retainer nut, and on this particular tailpiece we're going from 1.5 inches to 1.25 inches, so you need the proper washer. I'm going to insert the retention nut and the nylon washer and loosen up our P-trap. I'm going to install the extension tailpiece. Install another retention nut and gasket, washer. And that was extending a sink drain pipe or tailpiece. This is Nicholas Arachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York. And we're helping you build a better life. Reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy, and we'll see you next time.